How to reset PC without losing data in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up the settings and then you will see system on the left hand side. Tap on it and then scroll down. Go to recovery. There you'll find reset this PC under recovery options. Tap on reset PC and then you'll get option to keep my files or remove everything. Tap on keep my files and then once you tap on it, it will ask you how would you like to reinstall Windows. You can tap on cloud download or local reinstall according to your choice. And once you have done that, your Windows will be reset, but your data will not be erased. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.